and love is eternal, and I think people have been writing songs and poems ever since I think we had
Adam and Eve.
brains. Since Adam and Eve. So I think that's what makes it cut across time and will be relevant.
Yeah,
I
and I
think in
think,
today's time.
you know, generations can change, but the emotions will always remain the same.
Yeah.
So it's a very relatable show because the emotions it deals with is very relatable.
And your past often forms your future. तो इसलिए अतीत के बारे में जानना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है. तो इसलिए आई थिंक एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत तरीके से हमारे निर्देशक ने ये पेश किया है. तो होपफुली आई थिंक आप लोग को भी मजा आएगा.
It's something to be flattered about. I think Abhishek has always been a fan of Mr. Bhansali. But from whatever feedback I've heard about the film is, a lot of people have said, you know, I'm seeing a film like this come after a very long time. And that would not be a comment that would be made if this seemed like more of the same or more of something that is just being churned out. It's definitely got an identity of its own. And I think when you watch it as a viewer, you will realize that.
And as for me, I've worked with Sanjay Leela Bhansali also, and I've worked with
Same here.
Abhishek.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I think when you talk about an era or talk about period, or you're trying to create that larger than life kind of thing on screen, create a spectacle, I think, you know, the elements are very similar, but the story, the characters, everything is very different.
And I think कि जो ये अभिषेक वर्मा की दूसरी फिल्म है, and I think that's a huge compliment to him if people are comparing it to some stalwart like Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Yeah.
For him to achieve the world, the visuals that he has achieved in this film for his second film, I think is a big thing.
And Sanjay sir actually has created his own genre, you can say. So when anybody sort of attempts this in their own way, even though the story will be completely different, people will always make that comparison because of the kind of visuals he's given us.
Well, you're saying similar because of the way she dresses. That's her character. I mean, she's playing a Mrs. Moon and she will be dressed like that. But as far as the characters go, they're different characters. Like Chandramukhi was someone who always wore her sleeve on her heart. You know, उसके दिल में जो बात है वही उसकी ज़बान पे है. Or she led a life where she met Devdas, she fell in love, and she didn't hide anything. She was all there. She danced for him. She did everything. But with Bahar Begum, it's different because she's very closed kind of a person. She, she holds the cards very close to her heart. She's someone who's like a recluse, and so she's very, very different from. She always measures her words. She's always thinks about what she's going to say, and there's so much angst and regrets in her life. So she's very different from the others.
No, two completely different people, two completely different situations, just the same face with different clothes and a different director and a different film. So no similarity, yeah. And even the way Roop thinks, and by thinks, and reason I'm saying thinks is because what she thinks she will say, but sometimes what she thinks she will not be able to say because of the situation that she's in. So the thoughts are very different. With Razi, it was a very clear motive what she needed to do. वतन के आगे कुछ नहीं, खुद भी नहीं. रूप की जर्नी कुछ अलग है, जो थोड़ी सी complicated है. It's like a very creamy layered cake with a lot of different kind of icings. So then you have to kind of get through it, scoop it one by one, and then you'll see it. And that's the only way you can do that is when you watch the film.
I think similarly to what Alia said, that we've obviously done films which have been different. This is the first love story as such that we're doing, because the other ones you could say are rom-coms in that matter. So this is that more love story which has that more eternal love feel to it. Honestly, I think we're just 4 days now away from the release of the film, and for me always the takeaway is what the audience takes away from it, because eventually it's their experience that matters the most. I've played Zafar as honestly as I can, she's been Roop as honestly as she can, and we have to see how what the audience feels about the chemistry.
हर कोई जो हमारे कैरेक्टर्स है, हमारे किरदार है, कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी तरीके से वो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. एंड जो ट्रेलर में आपने नोटिस किया वो एक बहुत ही छोटा हिस्सा है. जो ये फिल्म में खुलेगा, ये रहस्य जो खुलने वाला है, आई थिंक वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है स्टोरी में. अगर मैं अभी कुछ भी आपको बता दूँ तो हम वो प्लॉट आपको दे देंगे. हम चाहते हैं कि आप ये क्यूरियोसिटी रखें जब तक आप फिल्म देखने जाए. बट एज अ कैरेक्टर मेरे लिए दिस इज़ द वन बिगेस्ट रीज़न दैट आई डिड द फिल्म, क्योंकि हर कोई कैरेक्टर इतनी अच्छी तरह से लिखा गया है